very much satisfying. Very much. What is up to all my billionaires? Y'all already know I'm back with another. So I think it's about time I show y'all how to make my Manukau Honey and Turmeric all natural face mask. Okay, and this honey costs like $8. Play with me because it's expensive. So first, of course, I'm about to use my M Contour face steamer. Open my pores up. And you can get this steamer with my link in the description, my Amazon link. And so I already did the wash to my face, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is get into it. Okay, very much satisfying. Very much satisfying. Manukau Honey. And then, hold up, let me get a little bit of that. Okay. And then I'm gonna put my turmeric. Yeah, and then I'm gonna rub it together. And then I'm gonna put it on my face. All right. Talk about it. So this got all kind of benefits. Turmeric is a natural gentle exfoliator. Manukau Honey has many vitamins, and it also they both work with skin brightening. So y'all wonder how them blemishes been disappearing. And then, oh, it tastes good. But I'm gonna get my steamer. And I gotta put it all over. Ooh. And I'm gonna leave this on for about 45 minutes to an hour. And that is how we get into our all natural Manukau Honey and Turmeric face mask. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video.